today's video, I'm going to show you how to have Microsoft Office 365 completely free and forever. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to Google and search Office 365. And here it's important that we check that the site in question is www.office.com, so we don't fall into other results that may be malicious pages. Once we find it, we're going to click there, and once we're on the site, we're going to log in again. It is essential that you have a Microsoft account to log in, otherwise it will not let you. And as you can see here, there's a small tutorial of all the tools we have and how to use them. And here we have a completely free version of Office 365. We have, for example, Word, and when we open it, as you can see, it's exactly the same as the desktop Word. If we go back, we can also make a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel spreadsheet, a form, and a questionnaire, among many other things. The only problem with this method is that you will need an internet connection, so if you need to use it offline, the only option is to buy the premium package. You have the basic, the personal, or the family. In this case, the basic only includes Outlook and OneDrive. So, if you want to use Word, it won't work for you. You will need to pay for this one, the personal or the family one. This costs around $25 a year, and this one $35 a year approximately. And you can share it with up to 6 people. So if you have friends or family who also need to use Office online, you can get together with them and pay this amount together. If not, well, you will have to go to this option. You can choose to pay it annually, which will be cheaper, or monthly, which is a little more expensive in the long run, but allows you to cancel in case you only need to use it for a shorter period of time. You can also download and install the Office 365 application from the Microsoft Store on your computer, but you will still need to have internet to use the apps, since they will open like this in your browser. And that's it. This is how you can have Office 365 for free. If the video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you on the next one.